Okay, good evening everyone. So nice to see you in this Raksha Bandhan special episode ही कह सकती हूँ because I'm so excited to do this with Rashmi and Archana Didi, and I welcome everyone from Snikriya Foundation. Very good evening, and I will just briefly talk about what is Snikriya Foundation. Snik we are basically from Nagpur. You know me. I'm Harshali Kharche. I'm a managing director of SNCC Kriya Foundation. And our SNCC is like Special Needs Integration Center. We are working in rehabilitation and empowerment, health advocacy and beliefs. So we are basically running various programs in this. So in empowerment of parents, empowerment of kids, and various financial assistance to the parents, and various programs to empower society, to make awareness in government sector and in society. So I feel this is also one part of empowerment, these kind of programs we are running. And I would like to welcome Rashmi Mita and Archana Di on this platform. And I will hand it over to Brian and Janice for further session.
Yes, good evening, everyone. It is so nice, to see so many of us join together. And this is a new initiative, something what we are starting now, wherein a parent of a special child will empower and support other parents as well. And as a normal Hindi dialogue goes, everyone must be knowing Miss Archana. Naam to suna hi hoga. And having said that, everyone knows Rashmi also. And we thought of why not bring our fraternities to empower and to show and to display the talents of our children.
So here we are so glad to invite Ms. Rashmi to conduct this entire session. I will just briefly talk about Rashmi. She has so many accolades to her that I have to actually read. So please bear with me. So Rashmi is 24-year-old and she has her hearing impairment. Okay, and she is also a national level Bharatanatyam dancer, yoga instructor. Rashmi, I'm coming to you for yoga. And she is an art teacher, aspiring model as well, a makeup artist. There's still more to go. And apart from that, she has her own handmade jewelry business for the past 6 years. So today, Rashmi is going to empower us, all of us, who we all say sort of, we are trying to bring inclusion. So here, parents, we request you to first of all, please rename your windows with your child's name. Please keep your cameras on also, okay, so that Rashmi and Archana ji can have a look of what you're doing, and let's roll it on. So I hand over with a lot of privilege, lot of honor to Rashmi and Archana.
Hello everyone, I'm Mipai. Today I will be teaching you to dip your time of Prabi.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Snake, Brian, Harshali, for this wonderful opportunity. Yes, today we'll be making 2 fabric rakis, which Rashmi will be teaching you all. So I hope everyone is ready with all the materials which list has been shared to you. So
yes,
hopefully let's start on with the thing. Everyone is ready with it.
Can we see everybody's materials?
And feel free to ask if anyone has any doubt during the session.
Yeah, please raise your hand and then we will pause in between, and then Rashmi or Archana ji can clarify the doubts. Okay, we are in no hurry. We can take this as slow as possible, but we want this session to be a memorable one. Let's start with Archana.
Yes. Okay, everyone, please on your camera so that we can see. We can start on.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Rashmi.
So first we'll be doing this kind of Rakhi. For that, the material which is asked, we need a cardboard circle of 1 inch radius, cardboard. Then a cotton cloth of 1.2 inch radius, a small cotton circle which is smaller than the cardboard. Then you need fabric glue or Fevicol. Then you need satin ribbon. And to decorate our Rakhi, we need kundan or cut shape moti or colorful bindis, whatever you have. So everyone, let's start on with our Rakhi. First, we take the cloth circle which is of 1.25 radius. We place the cardboard on it. And with a pencil, we draw the outline of the circle. I hope everyone can see what Rashmi is doing.
Yes, yes. It's visible.
Everyone can see what Rashmi is doing. This way you have to make a circle. Now, give small slits to the cloth till the line which we have drawn. You have to give the slits so that it becomes easier to stick the cloth. कपड़ा चिकटवायला सोपा होता है नहीं. Now place the cardboard on the circle drawn and take Fevicol and apply it just on the borders of the cardboard. Spread it with a finger and start sticking the cloth. Hope everyone is able to understand.
Yes, please raise your hands if you want us to slow down. We can do that.
border ला
See, this is the way we have to stick the cloth to the cardboard. Now keep this aside to dry. Meantime, take the smaller cloth which we have cut, which is smaller than the cardboard size. See, this is smaller than the cardboard size. Fold it in the middle. Then give one more fold to it to make it quarter. Then where there are, you see two folds, you just have to give a small slit over there to insert the satin ribbon. This way you have to give slits to the cloth. Now take the satin ribbon and insert it in the slits which you have given to the cloth.
So, does anyone has any doubt in making the slit? We can go through that once again.
We can see a few of our children doing this. Very nice. Pranjal,
And Abhay is also doing it.
Abhay.
Arjuna Dai, can you show that slit again, please?
Yes.
Yeah.
दुसऱ्या कपड्यावर हे परत दाखव. Fold it in the middle. Then one more fold. And the place where you have two folds, you have to give a slit over here.
Archana ji, just
Yes.
open it once again.
Okay.
Okay, and then you go slow off to show the fold.
Okay. See, this is the circle. You fold it in the middle. Then fold it again to make a quarter. And when the place where you have two folds, you have to give a slit over here. You all can see this. You have to give a slit over here. Make a slit over here. So through this slit, if you give a cut over here, you get two slits. And through those slits, you have to insert the satin ribbon this way.
Anyone having any doubt?
Is it clear?
We'll wait for say 5 or 10 seconds for everyone to do it.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, okay, we can go ahead, I think. Yes.
Okay. So after doing this, you have to adjust the satin in both the sides. It has to come equal on both the sides. Then start applying Fevicol or fabric glue, whatever you have, to the cardboard. all over the cardboard. दाखवा.
Very well being done by Shubhangini, as we can see, you know.
With lot of attention.
Yes, good concentration.
This way, apply the Fevicol. Then the inner side, you have to stick the inner side to the cardboard. You have to stick it this way.
Hope everyone is following it.
Anyone has any doubt, please ask. So the back
Very
of
well,
the
Aryaman is
Rakhi
doing.
done. We shall wait for others to reach till this point. आर्यमन तुझं झालं का बाळा?
झालं.
कल्याण, अभय, हो गया सबका?
I have no materials.
Okay, you can just observe.
Okay, now. Okay, ma'am.
Here you can use old hankies, old cotton dupattas for the cotton cloth, and for the card in the place of cardboard, you all can use back of some greeting cards. And for the satin ribbon, if you have some cotton thread or wool, you can use that instead of satin ribbon. There are many options. Regarding this cloth, you all can use anything, old hankies, you have the hankies kept at home, or some cotton dupattas which mama is not using. So you can use the cloth of that dupattas. Or mama's nighties which she is not using, cotton nighties. Any cloth will work.
That does not mean you keep on cutting all the clothes.
Cutting, yeah. That is true. So till this, it's done. Everyone is done. इथपर्यंत झालंय सगळ्यांचं. आपण पुढे करूया.
Yes, we can. I think so.
Yeah. So now we have to decorate this Rakhi. See how this Rakhi is decorated with kundan. So if you have cut motis, this kind of cut motis, you can use them. If you have this kind of kundans, you can use them. Whatever you have, you can use to decorate this Rakhi. So now Rashmi will be showing different shapes of kundan for decorating this Rakhi.
So basically, you can use any sort of material, any imagination, or anything you have readily available. If
Yes.
you have got Mama's bindis also, remove it and use all of them.
Yes. if the kids love Pokemon or Spider-Man or anything, and you get cutouts of it, that also you can stick on this to make it attractive. So now we'll be using these kind of kundans to decorate the Rakhi.
देखिए मैम, मैं रश्मि बोल रही हूँ। हेलो मैम, देखिए राखी।
एक मिनट विंडो ला लेला।
रश्मि उड़ीसा
जी जी
बनाई है मैंने।
हाँ 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 हाँ
बहुत अच्छा।
नाइस नाइस नाइस
Very nice.
शुभांगी नाइस
थैंक यू।
Here Lakshmi is using two different shapes of kundan, circle and triangles. थोड़ा circle. I hope everyone is decorating their Rakhis. If anyone has any doubt, please. Shubhangi, that's very beautiful. That's very beautiful, Shubhangi.
Abhay is also doing very well.
Yes, yes, yes. See here the Rakhi is ready, decorated.
Very nice.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, anybody wants to say something?
Hello.
Hello.
Who's it?
Yes, beta, what is your name?
Hello. Mummy.
I think गलती से unmute हो गया होगा. That's okay. Oh, प्रांजलि का राखी देखो. It's beautiful.
Wow, beautiful.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yeah,
Beautiful.
Sanjay.
And Rakhi has got a swastik in the center. Very nice.
Yes, yes, very beautiful.
This is all, all our own imagination, creativity. You can create wonders, when you do with your own involvement. And Raksha Bandhan is supposed to be a festival of love and bonding. And what more, bonding and love can you express when you have your own handmade Rakhis for your brother?
Yes. So you can make it this way also. If you have some decorative lace, you can attach it on the borders and you can make a Rakhi. The same method is used to make this Rakhi. So hope all are done with the first Rakhi. Did you all like it?
Let's
Did
show a
you-
thumbs up.
Show thumbs up. Did you like it? Did you enjoy it?
Wow, very nice, Aryaman.
These Rakhis have got no value, no price tag, because they are all made out of love.
Love, absolutely true. So shall we move on to the second Rakhi?
Yeah, we
Yes,
can, I
yes.
think. So they are made of love and maybe your parents' hankies and dupattas.
Absolutely right, Ben. So now we'll be doing the second pattern of Rakhi. For this, we need cotton cloth, which is which is of 1.5 inches radius. The second cotton cloth is of 1.25 inches radius. And the third is of 1 inch radius. Along with that, we need a satin ribbon, a moti, and needle and thread. So everyone ready for the second Rakhi? Shall we start on?
Everyone has got a needle and thread? I hope so. Otherwise, go and search now. Shubhangini, just give them maybe 10-15 seconds. Because sometimes the thread itself doesn't go inside the needle. We'll just wait for maybe half a minute because Abhay is just finishing off sticking off his first Rakhi.
Okay.
To see all our kids getting involved.
See everyone's creativity.
some of the videos are off, but they are still doing it. They have not themselves for the camera.
Yeah, maybe. But those children whose cameras are on can see good work.
Okay, can we start with the next one? Or are you done? Okay, let's start with the next one. Archana ji.
Okay, yeah, let's start with the second one now. Take your satin ribbon, hold it in the middle. Take the midpoint, mark it with a pencil, anything, pencil, pen, whatever.
And one more thing, the length of the ribbon should be depending upon how fat the wrist of your brother is.
Exactly, yeah. Approximately 12 inches is enough. You have to mark the midpoint on the satin ribbon.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
राखी बनाए.
Yes.
Hello. Ma'am, hello.
हेलो, हाँ बोलिए.
Very good.
मैं हो गया राखी.
Very nice, beautiful.
Thank you. रश्मि का साहू है.
Oh, अच्छा. Yeah, बोलो रश्मि.
Hello. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
इथं नाव पण रश्मि आहे. तो हम दूसरी राखी शुरू करते हैं अभी.
मम्मी राखी पहली बार नहीं मम्मी.
मुझे इक्वेशन चेंज जाता है ना.
पहिले ते ठेवायचे. ठेव पहिले का बरं. Place all the circles. This is 1.5 inch radius wala circle. Then you keep the second circle over it and then the third over it. Yes. Now hold the satin ribbon below the bigger one. Hold it in the middle of the circle and insert the needle from below and bring it up. Bring the needle up.
Be careful of your hand while getting the needle up, bachas.
Yes. It's done this much. We can go ahead. You have to put the needle through the moti, through the bead. And then again, tuck the needle down. Take the needle downwards. Place the moti properly in the mid position. Then again bring the needle up. Let the needle go again through the moti. And insert it downwards again. Pull the thread down, and you just have to tie a knot with the help of your mom. If the kids are able to tie a knot, you all can do, or take the help of your mom. We just have how we end the stitching. That's a similar type of knot we have to do at the end.
Parents, please help the kids, at least in this part.
After tying the knot, cut the thread. And our Rakhi is ready. Easy and quick.
Lovely, lovely. Maybe, Archana ji, in case if we don't have moti, only we can stitch the 3 cross circles and paste something on top of those stitches.
Yes. I was going to say the same thing. See, this is the second pattern. 3 layers of cloth which are stitched, and a kundan, a flower kundan is stitched to it. So you all can do it this way also, or you get these kind of kundans. So you can attach, you can stick this kind of kundans also. Different types of kundan you get in the market. So if you have them, you can use it, or else you can follow this procedure. Whichever way you can decorate your Rakhi, you can do.
So there is no limit of creativity, and the more creative you are, the more gift your brother will give you.
Absolutely.
Anyone has any questions, any queries? We can pause for some time.
Anyone has any doubts?
No doubts at all, because you are going very nice and slow and explaining it very well.
Thank you so much. If everyone is done with both the Rakhis, I can share ideas of 3 more Rakhis. So y'all can, Rakhi is on the 22nd of August. So you, in between, you have time. So you can prepare more Rakhis with the help of your mom.
Lovely, lovely. Archana ji, can you see that Rakhi shown by Shubhangi?
Yes. Pretty Rakhis made by Shubhangi.
Yeah.
One more, Abhay also.
Yes,
Very
Abhay. Very nice, very nice.
Shubhangini has placed it very well on the cardboard, like as if she has bought it from a shop ready-made.
Yes.
Very soon we have exhibitions also from our children now.
That is wonderful. Shall I show different patterns?
Yes, please.
So see, this is one more Rakhi. This is called Rakhi. If you have any type of lace, you can just stick Fevicol to the cardboard or some plastic sheet. You can use plastic sheets like that. circles of plastic sheets so that the cardboard doesn't get wet due to sweat. And you just have to coil the lace which you have. Similarly, you can use jute and make coil of it. Whatever, if you have that, go for it. You all can try on different type of Rakhis. And as kids love colors, this is one more Rakhi. You get these pom-poms in stationery shops. So you just have to cut circles and stick this colorful pom-poms on the circle, and your Rakhi is ready.
Nice and colorful they look.
Pom-poms are very colorful and very, very appealing for children.
Yes. So yes, that's for today. Rashmi, Shubhangi ji, that is Rashmi, right? Rashmi has done very beautiful Rakhis.
Oh, we have got 2 Rashmis today here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
She is also Rashmi. That Shubhangi name is Rashmi.
Okay.
Very nice. So we have the full house of creativity here.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So anybody wants to give any feedback, any queries, please feel free to do so, because we want to conduct more sessions like these, empower our own children, our own fraternity.
Any of your parents are also good at some other creative, you can always let us know, so that we ourselves can share these things with each other.
Beautiful Rashmi. Rashmi is showing different type of Rakhis made by her.
Archana and Rashmi, you must have a look at the chat box. We have so much of comments. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you everyone for all your lovely messages and encouraging Rashmi.
Yes.
In fact, to brief everyone, this is the first time that Archana ji and Rashmi is conducting this session, and in such a lovely way, we have conducted it, and we look
Rashmi, yeah, just once, sorry to interrupt you guys. Just wanted to share that Rashmi has been teaching teachers from special schools. She's done offline courses with many special schools. She's been teaching the craft teachers different items, jewelries, rakhis, greeting cards and rangolis, which she makes. And she goes and teaches all the teachers in special school. So this is her first online workshop. Offline, she has done 2-3, but maybe this will be, I don't know, but special need child doing an online workshop. This must be the first time. And all thanks to Snick and Brian and Janice for that. And Harshali, of course.
Thanks to you, actually, because bringing child to platform and helping and child also, Rashmi is doing so wonderful. I mean, this is amazing, because जब तक parent और बच्चा दोनों साथ में नहीं मिलते ना, तब तक कोई भी वो possible नहीं होता. So really hats off to both of you for doing so wonderful work.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Really overwhelmed with the emotions right now. कि कितना सुंदर करते हैं हमारे बच्चे and so creative.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, Brian.
It was a pleasure to teach our children something which Rashmi loves to do.
In fact, now we can also look forward for the Rangoli session, because Diwali is just coming soon.
Sure, we'll do that too.
Look at something like Diwali, or even for Ganpati, for example, something like
sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Rashmi, my Rashmi वो धान बनाई है.
जी जी जी, बहुत बढ़िया है
धान
शुभांगी जी, बहुत बढ़िया
जो
बनाई
घर का जो धान चावल राइस होता
I'm
है
Anju S. Gadwal.
हाँ, धान की राखी बनाई।
खुशी है, एंगेज रहती है।
अच्छा अच्छा,
हाँ हाँ,
बहुत बढ़िया
धान
है,
की राखी
बहुत
बनाई।
बढ़िया।
थैंक यू सो मच। उसे डांस का साथ साथ वो भी एंगेज रहती है घर में।
अरे वाह, ये रश्मि भी डांस करती है।
अरे वाह, थैंक यू रश्मि, यू बेट, गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा। सर आपको भी सबको नमस्ते। आप जो इतना अच्छा से अरेंज किया है हमारे बच्चे के लिए, बहुत बहुत थैंक यू सर, बहुत थैंक यू।
Good evening, sir.
हम आपका फीडबैक के लिए, आप खुश होते हैं तो हम लोग ज्यादा खुश होते हैं, हमको और ज्यादा एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है कि हम और कुछ करें। तो ऐसा कुछ अगर आप लोगों के पास कुछ आइडियाज या कुछ अगर होंगे तो हमको बताइए, ताकि वो हिसाब से हम कुछ प्लान कर सके, क्योंकि बच्चों को हमारे एंगेज करना बहुत जरूरी होता है। और इतना अच्छा क्रिएटिवली अगर एंगेज करेंगे तो पेरेंट्स भी खुश, बच्चे भी खुश।
ओके, थैंक
Good
यू।
evening, sir. I'm Anju Gadwal. Am I audible?
Yes, Anju.
I'm the principal of a special school,
Okay.
and I'm lucky that I got this link from my friend. Sorry, my camera is not getting open. There's some technical problem.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead, ma'am, please.
So I'm really very mesmerized by seeing this creative work today. I also try to do something every time to keep them engaged. Due to this COVID, we're not able to have this offline classes. And I can very well understand how it is difficult to teach things, online. But she has taught so beautifully, so simple way that each and every person can actually do it, I believe.
Thank
So
you so
thanks a
much.
ton, and looking forward to learn a lot from you all. And whenever you want our contribution, we are always ready for.
Thank you so much, Anju ji. It means a lot.
Yes, ma'am, surely we will require your inputs, like, no? So that
Myself as a
range,
clinical psychologist and psychotherapist, sir.
yeah, so that we can get your inputs, like, no? And you can support other parents as well.
Yes, sir. I've already actually forwarded this link to my parents also, the school parents. And we really want your help, because many of our kids, they're actually from a very lower background. They're not able to get that high-tech facilities. So we know that policies are there, government are there, they are providing, but somehow there is some gap is there. The bridge is not there between the facilities and our kids.
Shali is
Anju ji, do get in touch with us. I mean, we can do many things for kids. I mean,
Thank you,
you
ma'am.
can.
We're looking forward, ma'am.
If you don't, I mean, do you have my number or Brian's number or any?
I'll definitely take your number, ma'am.
I'm putting in the chat box. You take it and you please contact us. We can do very much. I mean, various things together. No problem.
Shali is doing the work of building bridges between us. She's doing a wonderful. She and her whole team is doing a wonderful job.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Rashmi, can you show me the Rakhi picture again so that I can take a picture?
Yes, sure. Rakhi.
Yes, this is our star also. He comes for our other workshops.
Okay. Can you see them?
Yes. Thank you. Yeah, too.
Thank you for coming, Dave.
Yeah,
I was
welcome.
there. Thank you so much.
So we are looking forward to see all of you all for our Independence Day celebrations, and we have received overwhelming response, and looking forward, to support each other's children, because this is what we look forward to. Small things what our kids do makes a lot of difference for the lives of our parents. So let's support each other and be together on Independence Day. We're looking forward to everyone.
Sure.
Yeah.
So if anyone would like to have further queries, please get in touch with us with Snake. So, we can take it forward. And I think if we don't have any more feedback or any queries from parents, we can wrap it here.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी, डांस सेक्शन में आपका फुल हो गया, फॉर्म फिलअप हो गया ना मैम?
जी मैम,
डांस सेक्शन जो स्नीक वाला वो भेजे थे, वो फॉर्म फिलअप कल लास्ट डेट था, और एक दिन होगा क्या तो हम रश्मि के लिए थोड़ा वीडियो भेज देते तो अच्छा होता। डांस हाँ,
अच्छा,
आपका एक फॉर्म भेजे थे।
हाँ, इंडिपेंडेंस डे के लिए ना?
हाँ जी
15 अगस्त के लिए ना? तो ठीक है, आप एक मैसेज भेज दीजिए। हाँ, हम आपको कांटेक्ट करेंगे।
आप वो फ्लायर का एक नंबर है ना, आप ये मैसेज भेज दीजिए। ठीक है?
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
ओके, थैंक यू।
वो जो नंबर दिया था सर, वो जो ऊपर में जो बैनर का जो ऊपर में नंबर दिए थे, उसमें हम भेज,
उसके ऊपर भेज दो।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
everyone.
Rashmi says thank you everyone for giving her this chance.
Thank you Rashmi, to you also. I mean, इथे येऊन खूप छान शिकवलंस, खूप सुंदर.
Our community member, Dr. Ashok, also among us. Thank you for motivating us, Dr. Ashok. Okay, so we wrap up then for the day.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you once again.
Archana ji, it has been a pleasure and honor to be with you on this platform. And we hope that we can, bring more of our talents out for our children. And we request everyone to stay connected with SNCC. You have all our social handles or our contact numbers. Feel free to contact us anytime. So we'll say bye-bye here. And we'll just take, I'm just going to, if everybody can keep their cameras on for 2 minutes, seconds. Maybe you can show the Rakhis that you have made, all of you all, please, on the camera.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Smile. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So we are logging off now.
Yes, bye-bye everyone.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
Thank you once
Bye-bye.
again.
Thank you
Bye.
everyone.
Thanks.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye bye.
Bye.